The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave a video with you that is out on social media. Now, this video that is out on social media shows of an incident that had been caught on surveillance camera. Alright, and this incident shows of a man that had been arrested by police officers in Trinidad and Tobago, and based on what had happened, it would seem as if this person had a illegal firearm, alright, like an illegal gun. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, this said to have happened on the 5th of February 2020, and to be clear, this had happened in the country of Trinidad and Tobago, alright? And based on some of the things that has been said about this video on social media, it would seem as if this whole incident had happened at a food store. Some persons would call it a supermarket. Now, viewers and subscribers, I bring this video to you because it is out on social media, and so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, and to also keep you up to date and posted and make you know what's going on in the world. Alright, now as I'm about to leave this video with you, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, and if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright, observe.
Yeah, but when you look at it, we have, I don't know, before you run by horse, you have company, and then you have a run, we have talk mechanica, and then
you see that two guys walking the fence
after we distill it,
and come out of peace.
then we run it by more, and then when Saturday comes, we can meet, because my thinking is,
Hey.
the energy and the effort and what it should do towards the 14
Yeah, the two guys sit for the cat in a, yeah.
right? And maybe we just have to go, maybe I can
Sit
do
for the
like
cat.
projects, or like this is like this
Kasi naman ano mo. What was? Ako? Ano ako? Sila, pihay na baik isu naman sila ya police kami di sini. Dito ka pa. Siya cari hal kon please.
Pick up. You got a minute? No? Yeah.
Too slow si Marcel pa hot no. Di ba bumi?
actually what are they going to do?